Let's dive deeper into jersey or elastic wraps. They come in different prints and designs. The other category are woven wraps, and if you are not sure what your sling is, you just grab the fabric and you can hold it in the width and see how much give it has. And diagonally you can see it too, over here in the length. With a woven wrap you can see there's not much. There's a little if it's diagonally, not much in the length. Another stretchy. This one is super thin. Mostly they are knitted fabric, similar to clothing pieces. And if you're looking at a woven wrap, they can come in different blends, but they feel more like sometimes like a jeans, a bit more sturdy. They are not all on the same width, but they often are a similar length, around 5 meters. Some brands do offer sized stretchy wraps, so then you could get a shorter or a longer size depending on your body size and shape, but most brands just offer one standard size. The great thing about a stretchy or jersey wrap is that you can pre-tie it completely before adding your baby. It's definitely the most soft fabric type there is. It feels very much like a hug, and that's also why it's often suggested for newborn babies. So this is a great newborn option. I would say suitable from birth up to probably the first year. Depending on the fabric, you will feel that it's starting to have a lot of give when your baby gets heavier. Most of them are not suitable for back carries. So I would say if you have a stretchy like a Moby or a Boba, those are not suitable for back carries. There are a few hybrid options that are more sturdy, stretchy fabric, and those brands say that you could use it for a back carry. But in general, front carry only, hip carry is an option. You want to have multiple layers of fabric over your child, so during summer it could be a bit warm depending on the one you have. So this one is super thin, so it's definitely suitable for summer as well. The thicker type of fabric, if you use this one in 3 layers, of course it's more heavy than a single layer with a carrier or a woven wrap. Some of them are printed, so they have a nice side and an uglier side. And this one is knitted with 2 colors, and this is more like a sports. They come in different blends, so most of them are pretty much all cotton. Some have elastan in there. I have a few with bamboo or modal or tencel, but they also come with a little bit of wool or silk added. How to use it? So it's a very long piece of fabric. Usually they have some kind of middle marker. And what you basically do is you want a horizontal piece in the front and a cross in the back. And then there will be a cross in the front as well. You can tie a double knot in the back or go back around depending on the length of the fabric. And because of the stretch of the fabric, you really want to make sure the carry is snug before adding the baby. The baby will go in this cross, one leg on each side. Now when spreading, you want to pay attention to which one is the layer that's closest to your body. So this is the top. I want to start with the bottom. I'm flipping the fabric right here, and it goes underneath all the other fabric on my shoulder, which adds a little bit more support here. at the neck, and it also helps to keep the airways free and the fabric out of the face. Now I have 2 spread layers. Then bring this horizontal piece back over the legs, and then I can pull it up as the 3rd layer. I go in to tilt the pelvis. So what I do is bring my thumbs between their upper legs and myself, and I rotate their pelvis a little bit so the bum goes lower than the knees. You can spread the fabric to make it more comfortable. You should be moving as one unit. The back is supported, knees higher than the bum, airways free. The chin is off the chest, no fabric covering the face, nice and high. I can get my baby out. And now I could even leave my carrier on, drive somewhere, and then pop my baby back in the carrier. So that's a great advantage, especially during winter time or autumn weather. If you don't want to be wrapping outside, you wrap this at home, add the baby later. It is a lot of fabric, which you could go and fold or store. Usually they have tapered tails, so the tails are a bit narrower. I make a loop and I pull it through itself, which is actually a very pretty way of storing it. And once you want to use it, you just pull on one side and it comes undone.